This is a ring toss game, and it comes with this shot glass scoring board here. So basically, it's like a tabletop game. So you could have this sitting on like your dining room table, or if you have a bar at home. It's just a fun little game to play with a friend. So basically, you have one person at each end like this, and you're gonna try and get your ring to sit on the hook. So you start out here and try it. I'm not very good at this game, but I find it really fun. And so when you get your ring on the hook, then you move the scorer down one, and then when you get down there, then the other person loses. So yeah, such a fun game. Comes with everything that you need to play this game. So it comes with the string, comes with the rings, the hooks, all in pieces. So you just have to put it together. It's really simple to put together. This wood is really high quality. It's got such a nice finish on it. No super sharp edges as well, so you're not going to cut yourself on any of the wood, get any splinters like that. Such a fun game. I can highly recommend this. It keeps me entertained at the table for hours, so go and get yourself one.